We also shared our concern about the threat of terrorism and insecurity in our region and affirmed our commitment to strengthening regional peace and security approaches and programs. Kenya will continue to consult and work with Uganda in security challenges in our sub-region, including in the Sudan, South Sudan, Somalia, DRC, and elsewhere. During my meeting with President Museveni, we expressed concern on the drawdown of ATMIS in Somalia, and we urged that the timelines for the drawdown align with the security conditions on the ground in Somalia, not just the calendar that has been laid out. Before I conclude, let me reiterate that President Museveni's visit underscores the enduring bonds of friendship and partnership for peace and development between Kenya